Welcome. This is Hina Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. A red alert has been sounded in Andhra Pradesh after cyclonic storm Asani changed its direction and is now on its way to reach Andhra Pradesh coast today. Andhra Pradesh is witnessing heavy rain, strong winds and turbulent sea with the cyclonic storm approaching its coast. As per the Indian Meteorological Department's latest update, cyclonic storm Asani over the west central Bay of Bengal moved north-northwestward with the speed of 6 km per hour during the past 6 hours and lay centered as on 5:30 am local time on Wednesday, about 50 km south-southeast of Machilipatnam in Andhra Pradesh, 150 km southwest of Kakinda, 290 km southwest of Visakhapatnam, 530 km southwest of Gopalpur in Odisha and 640 km southwest of Odisha's Puri, Odisha, the IMD said. Meanwhile, Odisha and West Bengal are also alert to face the impact of the cyclonic storm. The National Disaster Response Force has deployed 9 teams in Andhra Pradesh and kept another 7 teams on standby, while 1 team has been deployed in Odisha, 17 have been put on standby. As many as 12 teams have been deployed in West Bengal and 5 were on standby. In other news, the maximum temperatures in Delhi dropped below 40 degrees mark on Tuesday as moisture-carrying easterly winds prevailed in the capital under the impact of Cyclone Asani. No heat wave is predicted for the next 2 days according to the IMD. The Met Office had earlier predicted a heat wave spell from Wednesday with the temperatures soaring to 44 degrees Celsius. Cyclone Asani is likely to reach Kakinda on the Andhra Pradesh coast on Wednesday morning, Odisha Special Relief Commissioner informed. Moderate to heavy rainfall with the gusty winds lashed Kakinda district in Andhra Pradesh as Cyclone Asani makes its way. Rough sea conditions were also witnessed in the state. A red warning was issued for the Andhra Pradesh coast. Along with this, local authorities have been told to be prepared to take actions in order to prevent disasters due to the cyclone. Meanwhile, in the view of cyclone, 10 flights in Chennai, including those coming from Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Jaipur and Mumbai were cancelled due to the cyclone. The weather officials have predicted that the southern districts of the Telangana are likely to receive light to moderate rains. The department further added that the Hyderabad is likely to experience light rains in the next 24 hours and cloudy conditions would persist for next 48 hours. Parts of north and south coastal Andhra received heavy rains accompanied by gusty winds since Tuesday, with Visakhapatnam and Kavali registering a maximum of around 80 mm in last 24 hours till Wednesday morning. Vizinagar, Kadapa, Machilipatnam and Tirupati also experienced substantial rainfall. Authorities stopped electricity supply in some areas as a precautionary measures. Over the next 24 hours, many parts of the north and coastal Andhra Pradesh are likely to witness more than 50 mm rainfall along with the gusty winds of 60 to 80 km per hour. The eye of the storm lies 60 km away from the Machilipatnam and 180 km from the Kakinda in Andhra Pradesh and is moving at 12 km per hour during the early hours of Wednesday. The cyclonic storm is under the continuous surveillance of IMD's Doppler weather radar at Machilipatnam. It could reach Machilipatnam by around 11 am at noon IST. The Indian Navy is also on alert for rescue and relief, and the Eastern Naval Command, which has its headquarters in Visakhapatnam, remains in regular contact with the authorities in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. On Tuesday, IMD's officials said in Bhubaneswar that the cyclone Asani has already achieved the maximum stage of intensification and is gradually getting weakened. After nearing the Andhra Pradesh coast in the evening, the system will change its course and move along the Odisha coast. Heavy rainfall has also been predicted at 1 or 2 places over Purba Madinapur, Paschim Medinipur, North and South 24 Parganas and Nadia districts of the state till 12th May morning. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.